callers from Joe FM, along with Joe FM personalities Jalen Nye and Derek Allen. They've got a hilarious game of Pin the Guitar on the Rockstar for us tonight. And on the line for our contestant is a pair of tickets to the upcoming Van Halen show here in Rexall. Take it away, guys.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sexsmith. Hey, how about the Rush? Good luck to you to the playoffs. Yeah! Woo! Apparently we're going south to kick some butt. Gary Jason, Joe FM. Welcome to 80s Night. The callers. And can we give it up for Arno Van Halen? Right here, stick your arm up. Get your arm up, Arno. Arno Van Halen, the missing Van Halen brother. So he's going to be playing with the band. So here's what's going to happen. Rhubarb is going to blindfold Arno. And then he's going to try and pin the guitar on the Rockstar. This is where we need you guys to help him out. When he's getting farther away, we're going to go, woo! It's kind of like Calvers in town. And when he's getting closer, we go, yay! So we have to steer Arno to the Rockstar, all right? You got it. We need to help him out for Van Halen tickets.
I'm going to spin him around just a little bit to make him dizzy.
Rhubarb's going to spin him around and make him as dizzy as we are. All right. And then it's up to you guys. You're the ones directing. Is it a boo?